A pleasant good morning to all. Myself, I am Akshara from 9th standard. First of all, respected principal of the school and Shekhar sir, and principal of the school Ganjay sir, and respected teachers, my dear brothers and sisters, once again a pleasant good morning to all. This is my turn to present a topic in front of you on the occasion of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar birth anniversary. And my topic is about a prominent person who wrote a prominent book. In that book contains some important articles which was used by us and rights. And the prominent person named known as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which book was written by him known as the Indian Constitution. First, what is the meaning of the Indian Constitution? And next, in the Indian Constitution, the preamble is the main important content in the Indian Constitution. First, what is the meaning of the Constitution? What are the uses of the Constitution? What is the meaning of preamble? What are the uses of the preamble? How do we protect the preamble? How many members are formed to make a one Constitution? And who is the draft chairman? And who established the Constitution? Now we have to discuss. First, the preamble. Meaning of the preamble is known as a soul and the objective structure, the basic structure of the Constitution. Introduction of the Constitution is known as the preamble. First, the Constitution was launched on the 22 January, adopted by the Constitution Assembly. But in 1960, 26 January, it was came into implement. The day is known as the Republic Day, which was celebrated by us. During the time of the Indian emergency by the Indira Gandhi. And next, the preamble. It was emitted in the July 2024 that we are the all the Indians that we are having a solemnly resolved into Indian Constitution. That sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic. First, the justice to secure. First, the republic to secure all its citizens, and the republic equality, sovereignty, and the fraternity. In the Constitution of Assembly, the date of the November 26, 1949 was the crucial role of the adopted by ourselves of the Constitution. And next, how many members are fought to make a Constitution? Debating of the at the starting of the debating of the Constitution, some members are fought against the name of the Gandhi. The name was proposed by some members, but some members are disapproved the name of the Gandhi name. 68 members are voted against the name of the God known as Gandhi, but the name of the Rajeshwar Prasad, he told that the names by some words told by him, that was I don't have interested to keep the name of the Gandhi in the Constitution. The Constitution not belongs to the Gandhi Constitution. If we had a Constitution in the Gandhi, I don't Indian by the Indian Constitution. After the during of the arguing, but at the 1976, but along the preamble and some pages was decorated and removed by the Bihar Ram Manohar Sainap at the Shantiniketan by the Acharya Behar, and the next, the immoral of the amendment of the Indian Constitution. Here contained two cases. First case is a Berubari case in the 1960. In the case, the Supreme Court told that the preamble is not a basic structure of the Constitution. It is not a part of the Constitution, told by the Berubari case in 1960. But the Supreme Court only told in the case of the Keshavananda in 1976 that the preamble is a basic structure of the Constitution told by the Supreme Court of the India. Here some LIC and the organizations are found through the name of the preamble. And next, the amendment of the preamble. The amendment of the preamble occurs at only once, that the date of the December 18, 1976 in the during Indian emergency of the Indira Gandhi. But during the changes of the amendment of the preamble, some exchanges of the words are occurs. Those are the between the sovereign and the democratic, the socialist and the secular were added, and while the unity of the nations between exchanges the unity nations of the dignity was changed. And next to the objectives. First the objectives. The objectives mainly divided into three: sovereign, equality, socialist, secular, sovereignty. The social ideas. First, the objective, the means of the objectives are the sovereignty, sovereignty, socialist, and the democratic. First, the sovereignty, the independent of your state and the making their own powers by legislate is known as the sovereignty. In the sovereignty, it is a socialist, secular. Well defined from the preamble of the fourth set. Here, the sovereignty contain two aspects. Those are the external sovereignty and the external sovereignty. The sovereignty may be real or normal, legal or political. Individuals are the plurality. The aspects of the sovereignty are the internal and external. First, the external, which the country or the state they make their own acts and rights without any government is known as the external sovereignty, and the internal sovereignty, which take the helps of the government and the rights to collaborate of the government, is known as the internal sovereignty. In the internal sovereignty, the domestic affairs also added. The domestic affairs is mainly divided into four organs. Those are the executive, legislative, administrative, judiciary. Those are the organs of the. And next the socialist. The socialist, before the constitution there is a 42 amendment. The refers of the amendment. The socialist was launched and the secular. The mean of the secular is relationship between the government and the religions. Here the secular means not a religions like Buddhism, Jainism, and Hinduism. The Alexander Onyx added the secularism as in the constitution. And next, how we have to protect the constitution. We have to follow the constitution rights and acts. Article 3, Article 5, etc. And make the constitution more important in our life. And next the justice. In the justice contain some good or bad, but we have to contain the justice in moral content. And next the chairman of the Constitution is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He fought against the Constitution to make a lot of. In the justice contains some kinds of the justice. First, the social justice, economic justice, political justice. In the types of the justice contain types of the justice. Examples: economic justice contain about the economic and the political justice contain only equality between the politicals. And from this, at last my conclusion is the constitution was made to improve our rights and to develop of our country was done made by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. A lot of members were fought against to make the constitution. So we have to protect the constitution as our, and thank you for this great opportunity.